Okay, go.
Hello, everybody. This is Eugene. Welcome to Learning by Saying group. And tonight we will be inviting our city to talk about nutrition, immunology. So let us welcome City.
Hi, I'm Titi. Hi. I'm quite new with regards to this nutrition immunology. However, I've been taking these, practicing it for myself for these past 2 years, and I really see a lot of results. So, what is actually nutrition immunology? Nutrition immunology, right, is actually giving nutritions to our immune system, which are nine. There are 9 systems in our body. So this nutrition immunology were actually separate disciplines, and this is being discovered by Dr. Zhao Fei Chen, a visionary immunologist. So she discovered this important link between nutrition and the human immune system in preventing disease. So who's the best doctor? It's actually our immune system. So and apparently our daily lives now really has affect us in such a way that we don't eat well. Our food are quite mostly being chemically derived, um, and sprayed by pesticide or injected by hormones. Even the water also quite a lot of them are polluted. So from this Dr. Chow, I understand, right, from her, she actually encourage people to eat wholesome foods and vegetables as a part of our daily lives, as a lot of us are too acidic in our body, um, as we eat meat um, more than our vegetable and fruits. And with regards to that, I would just share what actually happened. My child, my youngest, is a mental development delay, and he's also a ADHD, means attention hyper deficit disorder. So he runs about non-stop, and he couldn't focus in class. So in the end, I was actually being asked whether I want to give my child medication or I want to have an alternative ways. I've asked others, in the industry and also other people's opinions, and I come to a conclusion to have a food supplement, and it helps a lot. One of the things that I took was for my child is omega seed, and this omega seed has a lot of benefits, and it actually activates my son's brain cells, and it takes a while compared to chemical pills. And what happened was it takes about 2 years for us to have the results, but it was very tremendous achievement. He's now 11 years old, uh, and he is in primary 3, but overall his emotional and mental capability is still going, not as far as his peers, but much better. So I really would encourage others also to change their lifestyle and have more of fruits and vegetable, um, nutritional foods for their immune system. So like every plant has their own unique variety of phytochemicals, which are nutrients not found in meat. So, for example, cauliflower contains indoles, sulforaphane, and flavonoids, so they can lower risk of disease such as breast and ovarian cancer, and can encourage molecules with cleansing abilities to interact with carcinogens for a detoxifying effect. Soy is another example. So it contains isoflavones, including genistein, daidzein, and glycine. Isoflavones can lower serum cholesterol levels, reduce risk of coronary heart disease, relieve menopausal symptoms, suppress cancer cell growth, and lower risk of osteoporosis. So, so what I get from all these new knowledge that I found about this nutritional immunology is it is an ongoing process. It's really a daily thing where it's like you brushing your teeth or you bathe, you take a bath. It's you it's a way of life. You're not able to say, okay, today I take care of my I give nutrition to my immune system, then tomorrow I will not. So it's not, because when you what's that do that, then you don't get the whole benefits of it. So wholesome foods and vitamin extract is very different. Wholesome food is the whole thing compared to vitamin extract. Vitamin extract is they just extract part of the vitamins from the food. And see, so that's what I can say about this topic right now. Because yeah. So thank you very much. Yeah. Is there any questions?
Okay, thank you for Siti to explain us about the everything about her experience and also her study on this medication as well, or maybe in nutrition as well. So, any question from anybody?
Okay, so
Okay, there are some questions from my side because I had he explains more about this this omega six, is it? Is it omega six or omega six?
No, I didn't say omega 6. It's the name of the food supplement that I'm taking, right? Is omega
Oh,
seed.
okay.
Omega seed. The
Um,
seed, yeah. It's made
okay,
of
okay.
chia seeds.
Oh, okay. It's a bit of chia seed. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Thank you. I thought it's a new thing that it's a new food or kind of thing that is
No,
so
no,
special.
no. It's the name of the food supplement that they have, which is called omega seed. So it's actually the
Oh,
ingredients is chia seeds.
it's a chia seed. Thank you.
okay, so I have a question. So
Yes.
what is the difference between the food supplement? It's in the pure form, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference taking that and eating vegetable? Or are they the same or different?
Okay, food supplement that I'm talking about now is a wholesome fruits and vegetable. So the variety of vegetable and the varieties of food that we need in our body is being put into together in one bottle for our convenience. Like for example, if you eat a fruit by itself, I doubt a person can eat every 3 meals banana, everyday banana. Yeah, and everyday or 3 meals kiwi and everyday kiwi.
Because our body does not only need kiwi fruit, but they need other fruits also. At least more than 15 types of vegetables and fruits.
So how many servings a day? So what did you say?
At least about 15. To my understanding, at least about 15 types of fruits and vegetables.
No, I mean
Or
a day,
vegetables.
a day, a day.
A,
One day. How much to
yeah,
take?
a day.
A day, at least our body needs at least about 15 types of
15,
15, 1 5
15 type of fruit and vegetable.
vegetables. Yes.
Really? Wow,
yeah.
You
it's a
mean
lot.
you mean
Yes. It,
15 types of
yes.
vegetables or
15
fruits,
and fruits.
or
Yes.
maybe 15 types of vitamins?
No, 15 types of vegetables and fruits.
Really?
Wow.
One day? It's a lot.
Well,
Yes.
we
That's
don't
why
even have
It's
15
like
fruits in a month, right?
that's what our body needs to have the accomplishment for all the nutrition in our body system. We have 9 systems in our body: the
Okay.
digestive system, the eye system. So if you want to have the whole complete, it's
Yeah.
about 15 types of fruits and vegetables.
Wow.
Every day.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm still learning. So I am still going to follow Dr. Zhao to hear more from her. Yeah. And about the nutritional immunology, and then what types of food and vegetables that we need, and how much per day we need.
Okay. So just now you mentioned about the I mean your child. I didn't hear what was the issue beside the ADHD.
My son is a mental development delay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what
Mhm.
is the traditional or conventional way of treatment?
Traditional or conventional way of treatment, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. For mental development delay, that means that their growth is not as far with their um their growth is not as far as their age.
Okay.
So let's say he's 11 now, but he still behave like 5. So it's got to do with food, lifestyle, and a lot of got to do with you need to it's another way of saying that it's slow lah. So you need to do repetitive teaching, and then have a different kind of way of, it's not the normal set of school days.
No, but
So
I mean in terms of medication, what is the normal way to treat?
well, the doctor did offer to give him medication for his ADHD.
Oh, okay.
Uh, so because he couldn't sit still at all at that time.
So are you saying that instead of taking the medication for the ADHD, you chose to to
Yes,
to, to take
alternative way. Yes,
okay,
to supplement.
okay,
And I chose to get him to spend his energy at a different way. So we send him to swimming class.
okay. Five
Yeah,
minutes, huh? Yeah. So we have
so
two
we
more
send him
minutes.
to swimming class. So in order for him to express his energy elsewhere, because if you let him stay um, not doing any activity, he will start to run about. And if you give him items like electronic or TV, it will make him worse. And I notice actually, if he gets very excited, and also sweets, too much of sweets also not very good for him. Mm. So too much of sweets get more energized. Yeah. So it's one of the things I realize is also quite a lot got to do with food.
Okay.
6 minutes. So okay. maybe one more thing is, so what is the what do you call that, the takeaway, or what is the advice? I mean, if you summarize in a few words for us.
Yeah. I will summarize that health is very important. Health is power. Uh, because due to my lack of eating real food, especially when I was young, I usually eat Maggie every day. So I tend to get more sick now. Uh, and apparently my kids also. So when I found out about nutritional immunology, I make it a point to not eat Maggie as much as I can. I make it like once a month, one time, and I make it a point for them to eat well balanced food, like meat with vegetables and fruits. And kids are they will say they don't like vegetables. But I will make sure that they do eat uh yeah as much as they could lah, and fruits also. So this is my takeaway. Because you know you you um, if you don't take proactive ways, or you don't make sure that you take healthy food, then the trade-off is you will get sicker. And I really see a lot of people get sick now. A lot. In my workplace, people been coughing for a month. Their immune system is very bad. They're not able to get well very fast.
Okay.
I don't have that during my younger times. I don't hear people having cough for a long time and not getting better. But now I hear quite a lot. So I really believe in nutritional immunology to help.
Okay. So I think time is up, Eugene.
Okay, so time's up. So thank you for watching our Learning by Seeing group. Thank you for Siti being our speaker tonight, and thank you for our participation on Zoom, and also from Tommy as well. So see you in the next time. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very
Bye.
much.
Thank you for
Bye.
sharing. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.